Newton's first law of motion states that an object at rest remains at rest and an object in motion remains in motion at constant speed and in a straight line unless acted on by an unbalanced force. This law is also known as the law of inertia, and we're going to demonstrate it by kicking a basketball back and forth. Go ahead. When the ball is stopped and left alone, it's demonstrating how an object is at rest, and when Andrew or Larry kicks it, it shows an unbalanced force acting on the ball, causing it to move. Newton's second law of motion states that the acceleration of an object depends on the mass of the object and the amount of force applied. This can be shown by the equation. Force equals acceleration times mass. Alex, go ahead and push the folder up. Andrew? Notice how they use the same amount of force to push the textbook and the folder up, and the textbook didn't go as far as the folder because the textbook had more mass. If you were to plug in the kilograms of mass into the equation, you would realize that the acceleration of the textbook is less than that of the folder. Another thought is that an unbalanced force is needed to start an acceleration, and that an acceleration can only happen by an unbalanced force, and the unbalanced force in this case was them pushing the folder and textbook forward. Newton's third law of motion states that whenever one object exerts a force on a second object, the second object exerts an equal and opposite force on the first. Basically what happened was that Sofia decided to punch the wall for no reason, and what happened was that the wall, when she exerted a force on the wall exerted an equal force back onto her hand and caused more damage to her. Remember that even though Newton says that the forces are equal, they are not equal because the masses of these two objects are completely different.
Can I count down, please? Is that right? Yes, it is. We're gonna edit that part out.
Yay!
Yay!
It's not correct. Oh, that was a really bad shot. Okay, don't push it that hard. It went between my legs.
And Andrew, push the textbook.
Whoa. Yo, don't kick it that hard. Once again.
We're recording right now, Charlie. Get out of the video.